Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload audio to Roblox. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the screen. Click on the tab that says Create. This will take you to the Roblox Creator dashboard. Now look on the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu. Click on the option that says Creations. After you click Creations, you'll see several sections inside this page. On the right side, look for the option that says Development Items under the Creation tab. Under Development Items, find and click the option named Audio. This is where all your uploaded sounds are stored. Once you're on the audio page, you'll see a button that says Upload Asset. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you can upload your audio file. Click on the button to browse your computer and select the sound file that you want to upload. Make sure your file is either an MP3 or OGG format because Roblox only accepts those. After selecting your file, you'll need to enter some basic information. First, give your audio a name. This can be anything you want. For example, you can name it Game Soundtrack or Click Effect. You can also write a short description. This step is optional, but it helps if you have many audio files later on. Make sure the type is set to audio. This should be selected by default, so you usually don't need to change anything here. Now scroll down and click on the Upload button. After you upload the file, Roblox will review it. This process might take a few minutes depending on the length and content of the audio. And that's how you upload audio to Roblox. Thanks for watching.